Okay, hello everyone. The name of my project is Space VIP, a VR experience on the moon. And this project was inspired by my love for virtual reality games, but mostly virtual reality experiences. So I don't know if anyone in the room is familiar with Second Life, which is basically you create an account, you create an avatar, and you teleport to different environments, either for gaming or for socializing. And so I used A-Frame, which is a virtual reality framework that is built upon WebVR API, an entity component system, and it consists primarily of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So the goal envisioned for this project was to challenge myself to build an environment similar to the different types of scenes that I like when I use games like Second Life. And I wanted to use it to imagine what it would feel like to dance or walk on the moon. So basically, upon discovering A-Frame, I realized how feasible this goal was. So let's just go to the moon. So let's see. To pull this over so everyone can see it, actually. Let's see. This is funky. 1 second. Can everyone see that? Okay. So when you first get to the site, you'll see a welcome banner. And it's basically saying, welcome to Space VIP Club, a VR experience on the moon. And it gives you some instructions. So if you're a desktop visitor, a mobile visitor, or if you're using a VR headset, it gives you an understanding of how to basically use the site. And so since this view is basically a desktop view, it's saying that if you want to navigate, you'll basically do like a click and drag like this. And if you want to test to make sure that the elements that you can interact with are working, so this one, you know it's working because Michael Jackson starts and we watched the robot do a little moonwalk. So now we know that you can click and navigate and we can watch the robot do another little moonwalk for you. And so basically, let's turn that down. Michael Jackson is getting the party started. He's floating around in a little orb. It's so dark on there. So basically, you'll just navigate around and click on different things. Ultimately, the goal was to make sure that you can experience this on your desktop or your mobile phone, but it's much more exciting on the headset. So in the interest of time, obviously I can't do a demo now, but I really would like everyone in the room to experience it on their phones. You put it on your phone, pop it in here, and you can look around. I didn't design it so that the up, down, left, right keys work, but it's basically meant to be a 360-degree experience with the headset. You stare at the entity that you want to interact with, click on it, and you just enjoy space girls floating. And then if you look up with the headset, you'll see that there's a spaceship just doing its thing. So just imagine yourself having the headset on and you're just looking around oh, this is really cool. I'm not sure how much time I have, but this is basically it. Just working with the different elements with A-Frame and playing with animations and event listeners and making sure that everything is working properly with the headset as well as with the mobile and your desktop. I'm not sure how much time I have, but I think that's it. Yeah, that's my project.